My name is Nur Aziza Sugito. I will review a video about nature. The video is about fluffy chicks are blown from their nests in Antarctica storms. Let's go to the video. Okay, from the video, we know about the gray-headed albatrosses are one of the world's most endangered seabirds. They inhabit the stormy southern ocean that surrounds the continent of Antarctica, nesting on isolated islands. Albatross is an ultimate wind bird. They pull with these massively long wings for dealing with strong winds, and that's how they travel so far across the open ocean, how they go and find food, and they bring food back to their chicks. Over the last few decades, the gray-headed albatross population has been decreasing. Many fishing by Antarctic trawlers has been responsible for many albatross deaths. Albatrosses will all disappear, and people will forget that they were even ever there. Just remember, it's called an albatross, but no one will see them anymore. The plight at the gray-headed albatross is a stark reminder that our impact on the planet is now so great. We are threatening wildlife in even the most isolated and inaccessible places on Earth, and why efforts to reduce climate change are more important than ever. So that's all for me. I hope you enjoyed with my video. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye.